Hi, first graders. Happy May. We are entering the month of May. As you can see, today is Friday. We just finished with April yesterday. Yesterday was Thursday, April 30th. Today is Friday, May 1st. You can see a little flower up here. You might have heard of the saying, April showers bring May flowers. Maybe that's why there's a flower, because when we have rains in April, then we have often flowers in May. And actually, there's lots and lots of flowers around these days. So I want to tell you a little bit about what May is going to have in terms of Number Corner. We will have some riddles in May. Okay, so we'll do a lot of number grid work. We'll just get to know our number grid really, really well. Without giving you too much information, I just want to show you some tools. Okay, that's going to be our big work from Number Corner. Counting up and back by ones and tens from any given number. Okay, and using that for adding and subtracting ones and tens from any number. Okay, I have a couple of tools I can use to show. So let's say I have the number 3. If I say, let's count up by ones, we count up by ones. Here's how we go: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's say we're starting on 24. Okay, different number. 24. What's the next one? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, right? That's how you would do it. Now, let's say I have 3 popsicle sticks. Okay, I'm going to start with 3 popsicle sticks. And I'm counting up by ones. I go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, I like to make groups of 5, right? That's 10 popsicle sticks. Now, I could also, if I wanted a 10, I could also use this bundle, right? That's a bundle of 10. I can take a rubber band, wrap it up, turn it into a bundle. As you know, if I'm getting ones, all I'm doing is getting just one popsicle. I'm just getting one popsicle stick at a time, right? But if I'm counting up by tens, I'm getting bundles of 10. So let's say I have 3 popsicle sticks, okay? Just like over here, if I was counting up by ones, I was getting 1 popsicle stick, another popsicle stick, another popsicle stick, and so on. But if I were counting up by tens, what I'm really doing is getting of these tens more. So if I start with 3, then I get 10 more. And all of a sudden I have 13. Look, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then I can get another 10. Now I have 23. Look, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So let's start with, and then go 3, counting up by tens. 3, 13, 23, 10 more. 33, because I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. 10 more. 43. So see how it went? It went 3, then 13, 23, 33, 43. So let's try writing that. 13, 3, 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, right? That's how you count up by tens. Another way to think about it is like this. Let's start with counting up by ones. This is something you can try out. I can attach this file to our work today. And you just have, if you're using up to 120, you have to say that you have to choose that option. Okay, right now I have it chosen to 120 chart. So let's say, because that's the number we need to get really good at. Let's say I want you to count up by ones. Okay, starting with, let's say, 21. Okay, count up by ones. Ready? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now this time I want you to count back from 58. Ready? Actually 59. 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52. So that's counting up and back by ones. Okay, I'm going to clear it off. And this time I want us to count up by tens. You're going to need this because later on you're going to use these skills to solve other bigger problems. Okay, I'm going to start with 56. Okay, count up. Pretend that you have 56. Actually think of it as, so first I'm going to make 6. We're going to go up by 10. So right now it's 6. I was going to start with 56 going up by tens. Okay, so first I have to have 56. Let's start with 56. So as you can see, that's 56, right? And we're counting up by tens. 56, 10 more, 66, 10 more, 76, 10 more, 86, 10 more, 96, 10 more, 106. Okay, so when we do that over here, we go, watch how the pattern is going to look. Last time it went horizontally, right? When we went up, it went like this. We did this one orange, we went sideways, right? The pattern going counting up by ones was sideways. The counting back by ones was also sideways, going in the opposite direction, going backwards, right? Now watch what the pattern is going to be when I count up by tens. So let's start with 56, up by 10, 66, 76, 86, 96, 106. Okay, now I'm going to change that. I'm going to take this away. Oh, actually, I could just delete it. I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to delete a couple of tens. Okay, so right now our number is, let's check, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. Okay, I'm going to count back from 85 by tens. 85, 75, 65, 55. Is that 55? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 5. 45, 35, 25. So let's go back to our chart. We started with 85, and then we went 10 back. 75, 65, 55, 45, 35. So you can see that when we count up by tens, we go down one row if our number grid has exactly 10 numbers in each row. Okay, so if it has 10 numbers, it'll go up and down, and that's how our number grid is set up. So today your job, you have a couple of things to do. One job you have is to do this. Today is 161st day of school. See how it came up on its own? Today is 161st day of school. You can use your app to show, right? You can first make 161, write the number of days you've been in school, which is 161. Color the boxes to show the number. Okay, that's one part. The second part of your homework today is to show me. You won't be able to use this because it's an app that only teachers have, unfortunately. You do have these blocks. You can do the same exact thing with those blocks. So you're going to just show counting up by tens, counting back by tens. That's one part of your job. The other part is this. We're entering the 17th decade day. I'd like you to catch up for the 16th decade day. I'd like you to write your 10 more and 10 less. Play around with the app if you want. Remember, I'm going to build this up until you get really good at counting up by tens and ones. Use your number grid if you need to. So there are going to be 3 sheets for you. This one, the 16th decade day, and the 161st day of school. Okay, have fun with it. I'll see you on Monday. Bye.